Well, a lot of us still tracking a little bit of that lighter snow here as we get going into this afternoon. Places like Lake of the Ozarks, this is a bit of an odd scene here with the entire lake frozen over. You got a little bit of snow on top of that as well. So a little bit of some odd scenery down in some of our southwestern counties. Latest, though, look at that radar around lunchtime. Nothing terribly impressive. I'm going to be watching this area in some of our west central counties. Again, that's been kind of the more impressive little swath of some snow back toward Marshall down into Sedalia, stretching back into Warrensburg. We'll see if that wants to try to slide off toward the east here as we get into the next few hours. But again, for the most part, I think a lot of our those heavier accumulations, I think those are mostly done. What we're going to be tracking, though, into the next few hours is going to be some of that snow trying to push on out of here, but it may be a little stubborn to do so. I think we still hang on to some of those flurries as we get into tonight. And again, it's certainly not going to help those road conditions out there. Highway 63, 54, and 50 all still looking like they're covered in some areas around mid-Missouri. So take it nice and slow out on some of those roadways even as we get into this afternoon because temperature is still stuck in the teens. So a little bit tough for some of those road crews to really get after and put a dent into some of those streets out across mid-Missouri. The other thing we're going to be tracking once we can move some of that snow out of here, a little bit of fog trying to develop here. Latest look at Fog Tracker. Trying to get some of that up and going just in time for that Thursday morning commute. So we may have to kind of dodge around something else that's going to be a little problematic into tomorrow. But we will try to at least burn some of that off here. I think we may be stuck in the clouds on Thursday, but Friday and Saturday we got more sunshine in us to try to make up for that here as we get into the end of this work week. Temperatures, though, you notice back into the upper 20s on Friday, upper 30s by Saturday. And that may be a sign of things to come here. It certainly looks like that. Looking at the temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, that 8 to 14-day temperature outlook has a pretty good chance at us staying above average here. And we're getting above average, it looks like, on that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Getting back into the 40s by Monday. And it looks like we might have a chance to reach up and grab 50 by Tuesday.